Okay, my friends, it's finally happening. Today, we are going to be speaking about HUMBL or TSNP, the 11 cents per share OTC penny stock. What is happening, investors? It is your boy Jack. I am not a financial advisor, and it's very rare that I speak about OTC stocks on this channel because I can't invest in them. I live in Ireland. I literally do not have a single platform in which I could invest in this company if I wanted to. It sucks. I don't know how this is the case, but it's the case nonetheless. And so for that reason, I don't like spending too much of my time looking into these companies. But I've been asked about these guys so much every single day on Instagram, on Twitter, on YouTube, everywhere. And it's gotten to a stage now where I have to give you guys my thoughts and opinions on them. So a quick recap, 23rd of November, they were 0.02 cents a share. They went up to 33 cents a share. They went up 1500% in pretty much 2 weeks, but they have also dropped about 65% over the next 2 weeks. If you've no idea who HUMBL are, essentially they're claiming they have a new digital way to use money, and they will allow you to send, receive, exchange, and borrow money at up to an estimated 50% savings versus competitors. I don't know how there could be a new digital way to make money. I mean, we have PayPal, we have Square, we have a lot of services, we have Revolut, we have Cash App, we have loads of things. So this is who we're going to be speaking about today. Do I think they're a good investment? Do I not think they're a good investment? We'll give you guys as much information as I possibly can, but do understand that I am not invested in this company, and I couldn't even if I wanted to, because I cannot trade OTC. So right before we do get into the video, my friends, can I please ask you to hit that juicy like button? I really would appreciate it. It helps me out so much. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you're looking at these guys, and also let me know if you're an investor, because I genuinely do know there's a lot of you are looking at these. And please, my friend, if you are new around here, hit that juicy red subscribe button and join the family of investors. If you're interested in joining my private Discord group, hit that first link in the description, my friends. You get access to over 40 private channels, you get all of my buy and sell alerts, and we have a penny stock channel where I have seen quite a few people speaking about this company over the last couple of weeks. And if you want 4 free stocks on Webull, hit that second link in the description, my friends. Sign up, deposit $100. It's free money. Easiest money you'll make in your life. So let's just start off with a stock chart again. Look, it's just been insane on that monthly chart. Up 1500%, down 66%. I know a lot of people were making videos back here when they were in the mid to high 20s or even in the 30s. I don't know if a lot of other investors were buying or not, but yeah, this is a clear example of what real penny stocks do. I know a lot of the time we speak about penny stocks and we're speaking about stocks that are $1, $2, $3 a share, but I mean, a stock that goes from 0.02 cents a share up to 33 cents a share, that's a penny stock, but just as often they come crashing back down. So when these guys say here, mobile payments for emerging markets, it says they will be working with partners in Latin America, the Caribbean, Africa, and the Asia Pacific in countries that have been overlooked or underserved by traditional payments and financial service providers, and they're focused on Mexico in particular right now from what I can gather. So I mean, fair enough, they're perhaps targeting a market that is underserved, you know, maybe PayPal and Square, etc. aren't as prominent there, but they're a lot more prominent in the grand scheme of things, and in my opinion they would find it a lot, and I mean a lot, easier to penetrate those markets if they so wished. So who we serve, okay, they're being designed to work across banks, borders, and currencies. The company will be focused on working with targeted verticals such as governments, wireless, banks, and merchants with existing customer bases who are looking to go digital with their money. So product features, it's borderless, it's contactless, and it's connected. I mean, so are a lot of other services. Now, in these areas they're focused on, okay, cash is still the predominant media for money, and that's fair enough. This can result in long lines, high fees, and slow processing times. HUMBL are working to solve for this with digital, contactless, and connected digital experiences. So that's what they're looking to do. But I mean, I would bet that so is everybody else. So is Revolut, so is Cash App, so is PayPal, so is Square, you know, all of those guys. Now, these guys recently had an investor call. For some reason, they don't have it actually laid out in an investor presentation, but you can go through the video and pause it, okay? Now, this is back from December 9th, so not too long ago whatsoever, and I did listen to the whole thing, and they come across really, really well. But there's this here, essentially what it offers. So, for consumers, you can send money, you can request money, you can receive money, you can exchange money, and you can get USD stablecoins. For merchants, you can get text orders, contactless payments, rate and review, CRM features, and a marketplace. And then there's some financial things coming soon and potential features. But I don't really see anything special. Maybe I'm missing something, but I really don't. But again, it's a penny stock. You can't expect it to already be the most established company in the world. I completely understand that. Fast forward a little bit more, it gives us a growth strategy for the company. So Q4 2020, the reverse merger completed. Launched HUMBL holiday deals in the marketplace, pursuing the merger acquisitions and country rights. Q1 2021, request a ticker symbol, begin testing live products in US, Latin America sandbox, and financial announcements. This will be important, of course. Q2 2021 is when they're claiming global launch into key zones: the US, Latin America, Africa, Ocean America. Audited company financials. That'll again be very good. Q3, just continue what they're doing. Government banking, wireless, and merchant partners. Q4, have a shareholder conference. HUMBL affiliate sales. This seems to be something they are really prominent in regards to, is having a lot of affiliates, and market leader awards. Now again, I'm just brushing through this quickly. I'm not going to sit here and make you listen to the 45-minute call, but you can do so if you want. Forbes put them on a startup to watch list for 2020. Yeah, very nice. And to be honest, that was the most interesting things from that call. Now, I would like to show you an article from Seeking Alpha. Now, this is from a very bearish point of view, okay? They say essentially that HUMBL does not deserve to be a unicorn. Now, HUMBL did also respond to this, okay? Because when we go through a few points that this article brings up, you know, it was an attack, simply put. But the management team said they're fully supportive of anybody's right to free speech and opinion. They're also supportive of anybody's right to make their investing decisions based on the opinion of Seeking Alpha's Gold Panda, an anonymous Bulgarian cyber blogger who not only criticizes HUMBL, but blockchain technology in general. So yeah, always keep in mind when you're reading anything online, guys, it's coming from the opinion of one person. So I'm not going to read through this entire article, but there's a few points I want to bring up. It's valued at over $1 billion. That does to me seem very difficult to believe. They're a small company and the app isn't even in the beta phase yet. Right now they're focused on Mexico, but there are several established local mobile payment startups, and I don't see how the company can challenge them. Now again, this isn't me saying that, it's the author of this article. On December 1st, the company announced that it had delivered its first live transaction on the Mexican market, okay? At the moment, they're offering a sign up for the beta. I mean, just recently, the very first live transaction happened, guys. This author does offer two possible risks for a bear thesis. So it's said that the markets can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. So even if the company's worthless, it's possible that the valuation of the merged entity can remain high or continue to soar for quite some time. And it's also possible that the app is revolutionary. I mean, this could be the next absolutely huge thing, 100%. The details are scarce and it's highly doubtful, but it's still possible. They could be the next PayPal for the development world in particular. But the odds of that happening, in my opinion, and I'd assume a lot of other people's opinions, are extremely, extremely low. This is the thing about the OTC market, guys, and especially penny stocks, like literal, very small penny stocks. They are not rational whatsoever. I mean, as we saw, they went up 1500% in 2 weeks off a little bit of hype. Not too much really happened. As soon as any actual news came out, they kind of started going down. To me, this is a gamble right now. I mean, that's fine. If that's what you're into, if you want to just throw some money at it, sit on some shares, you know, decide that you're either going to lose $100, $500, $1,000 or make a lot of money, that's fine. I mean, I love it. I know it's an expanding market, but there's already so many absolutely huge players, and any one of them could essentially come and decide to take all of these guys' business at the snap of a fingers. So yeah, guys, that's really my thoughts on the company. I don't think too much else needs to be said. I am not invested because I can't, even if I could be. No, I wouldn't have invested in this company personally. Nothing against you if you did. Just do understand the risks. But as well, you know, there's always potential. Anything can happen in the OTC markets. They don't have to be rational. But I definitely would not be betting the house on this stock. I would put it that way. I understand that penny stocks are so tempting. The thoughts of making 1500% in 2 weeks could change people's lives. But that is not what happens the majority of the time. The majority of the time, this is what happens, and you lose 50+%. Keep in mind, guys, it's at 11 cents a share, okay? On the month, it's still up nearly 500%. I know it's crashed like crazy, but it hasn't crashed nearly as much as it has gone up. I mean, just know the risks associated with investing in penny stocks, and of course, I'm not a financial advisor. Always form your own thoughts and opinions, my friends. But anyway, that's it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, if you watched till the end, you are a true legend. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart, and all I ask in return is that you hit that cheeky like button, maybe drop me a comment, let me know what you think, and of course, subscribe if you're new around here. And if you are interested in joining that private Discord group where, you know, you can speak with people who are into penny stocks, that's the first link in the description. And if you want your 4 free stocks on Webull, that's the second link in the description, my friends. Easy money, free money. Anyway, guys, thank you all so much for watching today's video. I hope you all have an absolutely fantastic day. I'll see you for another one very soon. Peace.